we've been in business 34 years. I started the business out of my garage at home in 1979. Exclusively BMW performance tuning and racing for the entire 34 years. Dinan's been racing in the Rolex Sports Car Series for the last 10 seasons. We won the championship the last 3 years in a row, as well as the 24 Hours of Daytona in 2011 and 2013. Now we're inside of Dinan's 33,000 square foot facility where we do all of our research, development, and manufacturing. So at Dinan, all product that Dinan sells, except for the exception of wheels, tires, shocks, and turbochargers, is made here in Dinan facility. Designed by Dinan, developed by Dinan, and then assembled at Dinan. That gives us control of the quality and the design to give the best possible quality and the best possible performance. Dinan has a fully contained automotive engine machine shop inside the facility, so we can build all of our both racing engines and street engines in this facility and do all of our own machine work to ensure the quality is the best. We have everything you possibly could use to build an engine: honing machines, surfacers, balancers, even including computer-controlled block machining centers that will machine entire engines. This is the other part of the engine assembly area. Dinan has 3 engine builders for both street cars and racing engines. The same team does both, so the quality of your high-performance street car engine for Dinan is just as good as the quality of our racing engine. Same personnel, same technology. All these guys are highly skilled, the best in the business. That's why we've had so much success in racing and literally almost no mechanical issues with the entire program. This is our engine dyno facility, 2,000 brake horsepower dyno. This gives us the ability to collect all kinds of interesting information for 2 reasons. One is so we can make the engine stronger, more durable, but the other reason is to make as much horsepower as possible. We can use that data and analyze it later on to improve the engine's performance. We have a really unique chassis dyno facility that we've learned a lot of things over the years. And basically what it is the engine's very sensitive to heat exchanging, the intercoolers and the radiators. So we find you don't get good results and good development if you're not doing a good job of controlling that heat. So we have this huge fan here that puts out 75 miles per hour of air out the nozzle. Okay, the reason we do that is it enables us to control the temperature of the engine and get good consistent results and have the data mean a lot. The other thing we've learned over the years is we used to have a dynamometer with tires and roller, and the problem is the tires slip on the roller a little bit all the time. Then what happens is the power goes up and down based on your traction on the roller, not by what you've done to the car. So what we've done is we imported this dynamometer from New Zealand, and it runs off the rear axles. That eliminates the tire slippage issue. So the combination of measuring the power off the rear axles and the really good heat exchanging from the large fan makes our dyno results very consistent and very accurate. Rather than farming out our development or buying other people's components or even other people's software, Dinan develops everything inside the building. We can do CAD, find an element analysis, and we have a rapid prototyper that enables us to grow each part to make sure it fits perfectly before we put it in the car. So along with all the hardware Dinan makes and software, we also make our own software delivery and communication tools. We also write the driver's software that controls this, the load software in the car. So Dinan's tools actually communicate just like the BMW factory tools and load software just like the BMW factory tools, and also retrieve faults just like a stock car. So the operation of the vehicle is seamless after the programming is done and the car has been modified. So it's a really self-contained R&D center, kind of like a mini car company more than an aftermarket tuner. Dinan also has the best warranty in the aftermarket, matching BMW's new car warranty for 4 years and 50,000 miles, including consequential damages. That way you're covered year to year, mile to mile, bumper to bumper. This is the map of all of Dinan's dealers throughout the United States and Canada. We have 158 stores. We have about 110 new car stores and about 48 independent shops. This way you can get your choice of where you'd like to get your car work done, depending on what type of store you want to go to. The reason we have this level of distribution is so that you can get your car serviced or warranty anywhere you're on the country, even if you're on vacation, if you were to have a problem. So we give you the best support after the sale. So thanks for coming and taking a tour of Dinan, seeing our whole facility and all the interesting things we have going on inside the building and all the cool cars. My favorite part about Dinan is driving the cars. That's why I started the company anyway. So let's go have some fun and see what one of these things runs like.